Hey there, it's Sarah. Ever found yourself pondering whether a younger woman might actually be admiring you from afar? Well, today we're going to delve into the subtle signs that can tell you a younger woman is secretly admiring you. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to spot these cues effortlessly. Make sure you watch until the end for our valuable bonus tip. It's a key piece of advice that will sharpen your awareness and improve your interactions. Before we kick things off, for those wondering how to enhance their dating life, our coaches are here to help. Click the link in the pinned comment for a free 60-minute strategy session. Ready to decode the signals? Let's get started. 1. Engaging conversations. When a younger woman initiates deep, meaningful conversations with you, it's often more than just casual chat. This is a key sign she respects and admires you. She chooses to discuss significant topics, be it philosophy, life experiences, or even your personal challenges and achievements. Why? Because she values your perspective and the wisdom you've accumulated over the years. This interest in profound topics goes beyond simple curiosity. It's about connection. When she asks about your past or your thoughts on complex issues, it's her way of showing that she sees you as a mentor and possibly more. She's not just passing the time. She's actively seeking to learn from you and understand your worldview. This kind of interaction can be incredibly flattering. It's not every day someone genuinely wants to hear about the lessons you've learned or the paths you've taken in life. And remember, it's not just about the words spoken. Pay attention to how engaged she is during these discussions. Does she listen intently, ask thoughtful follow-up questions, or express admiration for your insights? These are all indicators that her interest may be tinged with personal admiration. So next time you find yourself in a conversation that goes deeper than surface-level pleasantries, consider it a significant sign. It's an opportunity to not only share your knowledge, but to possibly foster a unique and meaningful connection. 2. Respectful gestures. Genuine respect is a clear sign that a younger woman holds you in high regard. It's not just about agreeing with everything you say. It's about the way she treats your opinions and life achievements. When she respects you, she listens closely, responds thoughtfully, and values your input in discussions. This type of respect can show up in various ways. For instance, she might ask for your advice on important decisions or express admiration for how you've handled challenges in your life. This respect also manifests in her attentiveness to the stories of your past and the milestones you've achieved. She doesn't just hear them, she appreciates them. It's a way for her to acknowledge the breadth of your experience and the depth of your knowledge. Watch for signs like nodding earnestly as you speak or referencing things you've said in past conversations. These are indicators that she not only listens, but also values what you have to say. Respect is foundational in any relationship, and when a younger woman shows this towards an older man, it often goes beyond mere politeness. It's an expression of admiration and a sign that she sees you not just as an elder, but as someone significant and influential in her eyes. So if you notice these respectful gestures, take them as compliments to your character and your life's work. 3. Thoughtful gestures. It's the little things that often speak volumes. For example, she might remember how you take your coffee and have it ready just the way you like it, or she could keep track of your favorite foods and suggest them when you dine out. These actions show she's paying attention to your preferences and desires. Another telling sign is when she celebrates your achievements, big or small. If you mention a personal or professional victory and she lights up with genuine excitement, it's a clear indicator of her admiration and support. She might even surprise you with a small celebration or a thoughtful gift related to your achievement. Such gestures are about more than just kindness. They're about connection. When she goes out of her way to make your day better or easier, she's showing that she values your happiness and wants to be a positive force in your life. It's not just about doing something nice. It's about making a personal effort to enhance your well-being and show her affection in practical, considerate ways. So, the next time she does something that seems trivial but makes you feel recognized and valued, take it as a sign of deeper care and appreciation. These gestures are her way of telling you that you matter to her. Not just in grand moments, but every single day. 4. Emotional support. When a younger woman offers you support during your challenges, seeks your advice, and shows concern for your comfort in tough times, it suggests she feels more than just casual affection. This kind of support involves her listening to your worries, providing comforting words, and possibly even helping you navigate difficult situations. Notice how she reacts when you discuss problems or stressful situations. Does she offer a listening ear without rushing to judge or solve everything immediately? This patience and willingness to be present during less than perfect times are signs of genuine care. Moreover, if she values your advice, asking for your opinion on matters important to her, It reflects her respect for your experience and judgment. This is not just about finding solutions. It's about her valuing the wisdom you bring to her life. Additionally, her efforts to ensure your comfort during hard times, whether it's a reassuring call, a thoughtful message, or just being there to share the silence, show that she prioritizes your well-being. This emotional investment is often a telltale sign of deeper emotional connections. These moments, when she steps in to offer support without being asked, highlight her genuine concern for you. It's these actions, aimed at reducing your stress and boosting your spirits, that hint at deeper feelings she may be nurturing towards you. Keep an eye on these behaviors. They're her way of showing that she cares deeply about what happens to you. Enjoying the video? Give it a like and tell us what you think. And if you're looking for tailored advice, our free dating strategy call will teach you how to meet more women and confidently navigate the dating scene. Reserve your session through the pinned comment. 5. Social integration. When she introduces you to her friends and family, it's more than just a casual meet and greet. It's a significant step towards bringing you into her personal circle. Think about what it means when someone brings you into their private world. It's a sign of trust and a statement that she is proud to be associated with you. This gesture shows her friends and family who you are and how you fit into her life. It's also a way for her to see how you interact with the important people in her life, which can be crucial for any long-term relationship prospects. Pay attention to these introductions. Are they formal or relaxed? Does she seem excited or nervous? Her behavior during these moments can give you additional clues about how she feels about you. If she's eager to connect you with her loved ones and looks pleased with how interactions go, it's a good sign she's serious about her relationship with you. Moreover, observe how her friends and family react to you. Their reception can often reflect her feelings and what she's communicated about you beforehand. A warm welcome suggests she's spoken highly of you, further indicating her respect and affection for you. Being included in her social circle isn't just about broadening your network. It's about her showing you off as someone significant in her life. This move towards social integration can be a profound gesture of her commitment and affection towards you. 6. Personal disclosure. When a younger woman shares her personal stories or challenges with you, it's a sign that she values your response and feels safe being vulnerable in your presence. This level of openness is not common and suggests she sees you as a confidant and potentially more. Think about it. When someone chooses to reveal personal aspects of their life, it's a gesture of trust. They are essentially handing you a piece of their history or emotions, betting that you will handle it with care. If she talks about her past struggles, current dilemmas, or future anxieties, she's not just making conversation. She's communicating that she respects and trusts your opinion and counsel. Moreover, the nature of the stories shared can also be telling. Are these stories about her dreams, fears, or perhaps even failures? This type of sharing creates a deep connection, building a foundation for a relationship that goes beyond superficial interactions. It shows she's comfortable showing her less than perfect side, believing that you're someone who will understand and support her. Watch how she reacts after sharing these stories. Does she look relieved? Perhaps lighter? That's because she values your reaction and feels reassured by your responses. Your acceptance and support in these moments can strengthen the bond, highlighting the special role you play in her life. Personal disclosure is more than just sharing. It's a bridge built on trust, showing that she not only likes you, but also respects and admires you enough to let you see the real her. Bonus tip: unique communication patterns. For our bonus tip, let's focus on the subtle yet revealing changes in communication patterns. Paying close attention to how she communicates can unveil her admiration in subtle but clear ways. Notice a shift in tone when she talks to you compared to others. Perhaps her voice softens, or maybe there's an excited lilt when she greets you. These nuances in tone can signal that she holds you in special regard. Another sign to watch for is an increase in messaging. If you find your phone pinging more often with messages from her, whether it's texts, social media interactions, or emails, take note. Frequent communication, especially if it seems she's reaching out more than necessary, can be a hint that she enjoys staying connected with you. Lastly, consider the content and style of her messages. Playful teasing or light banter can also be a sign of affection. If she jokes with you, sends you funny memes, or teases you in a gentle, playful manner, it's often more than just casual fun. It's a way for her to engage with you on a more personal level, testing boundaries and comfort zones while showing a lighter side of her personality. These unique communication patterns are key indicators of her feelings. They show she's comfortable and eager to connect with you, making her communication deliberate and tailored. So next time you chat, listen closely and observe. It might reveal more than just the words being said. Now that you know how to tell a younger woman is secretly admiring you, what's next for you? Discover how to tell when she's giving you the green light, or learn the social skills that make her addicted. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.